See his drawing. So guys, kini ang drawing ni Ibon. Tapos kini ang ahon. So, kini ahon, kini Ibon. So mine has a color.
I can see the stars.
Mine has a cloud rainbow. His has a swirling. Grabe, mura kong reporter. Nagbabagang balita. Ito nga pala ang drawing namin ni Ibon. Ang sa kanya ay sobrang cute. Look at the coloring. Okay. The details. The design. Siyempre, the details. Oh, wow. Di pa siya natapos pero ganda na. Oh. And mine, I don't know. Muras din si Rejoice. Rabing ko kadako. Nag-okay si John. Look is this. Look. The artist. The art. Tang. Ini. Kamatakot na magmukhang tanga. Tanga na magadaan. So, I'm gonna introduce to you the Yvonne drawing. So, this is I don't know, this is a pig or a car. This is look. The house is the house has a pig.
Because that's a pig
rooftop-
pen.
Oh,
That's a pig pen. That's not a freaking house. It's a freaking pig pen.
pen. Oh,
Pig pen. Pig
Damn.
pen. Pig pen.
I don't know what she
Pig
doing, but let's see what she doing. So this is his towel. Look, the person who drawing has a pig and his hand. His or him. His and there's what is that? I'm just gonna pass it. Greeting people. Eight, 9/10, 10/10. 100/100. 10/10. Sila duha. Kaya mga lalabs na ako. Bud. Okay. 10/10. 10/10. 9/9. 9/9.5. 8.5. 9. 7. 9. 10. Tong tapad ni Ja haman to. Daday. 10. Oh no. 8 today na. Sino? 8.
Gerald, what you
Lovely 9. Chen 8. 10. Rhea may 10. Ano?
Ya panahuman. Pero